Good morning students, I hope you all are fine. Students, in the previous video, we have completed exercise 21A. In this video, we will start exercise 21B. So before starting any question, we will see a formula that we will use in the questions of this exercise. So formula is mean is equal to sum of all observation upon number of observations, and mean is also called average. Mean is also called average. So mean is equal to sum of observation upon number of observation. So related to this formula, we will do some questions in this exercise. So students, question number 1 is find the mean of 53, 61, 60, 67 and 64. So our formula of mean is equal to, yes, sum of all observations. Observations are these numbers 53, 61, 60, 67 and 64 upon number of, yes, number of observations. Is equal to sum of observation 53 plus 61 plus 60 plus 67 plus 64 upon number of observations. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations. So upon 5. So students, now we will do the sum. 3, 1, 4, 4 and 7, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, carry 1. 6, 6, 12, 6, 18, 18, 6, 24 and 6, 30. So 305 upon 5. So we can divide this. 5, 6 are 30, 5 on the 5 is equal to 61. So mean is equal to 61. Now students, second question, that is find the mean of first 6 natural numbers. So first we have to write the first 6 natural numbers. First 6 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the first 6 natural numbers. Now we will use the formula of mean. So mean is equal to sum of all observations upon number of observations. So sum of observations means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 upon how many number? Yes, 6 numbers. So upon 6. So is equal to 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10 5 15 plus 6 21. So 21 upon 3 2s are 6, 3 7 are 21. So 7 upon 2. So 2 3s are 6, 1 is the remainder, decimal, and 0, 2 5s are 10. So is equal to 3.5. So in second question, mean is equal to 3.5. Now students, question number 4. Find the mean of x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 7, x plus 9 and x plus 11. So same formula of mean we will use. Mean is equal equal to sum of all observation upon number of observations. So student, formula you will write yourself. I am writing the values directly. So sum of all observations are x plus 3 plus x plus 5 plus x plus 7 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 11 upon number of observations. So students, see how many observations. This x plus 3 is one observation. Then x plus 5 second 2. Then in the same way 3, 4, 5. So how many observations? 5 observations. So there are two types of like terms, x and numbers. So we cannot add x and numbers, we will add separately. So x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 5x. Then 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 9, 24 plus 11, 35 plus 35 upon 5. So it is coming 5x plus 35 upon 5. So students, as you can see, in 5x and 35, 5 is common. So we can take common as 5. So 5 is common. Now divide 5x by 5. What we will get? 5 1 the 5 x plus 5 7 the 35 upon 5. So 5 1 the 5. So 1 into x, 1 into 7 plus 7. So students, mean is coming x plus 7. Now students, question number 5. Find the mean of all factors of 10. So student, to find the mean of all factors of 10, we must know the all factors of 10. So first we will find the all factors of 10. So see how we can find all factors of 10 are. So what is factor? Factor is the number by which the given number is divisible. So it means factors of 10 will be the numbers by which 10 is divisible. So from 1 and itself, every number is divisible. So 1 and 10 are the factors of 10. After 1, next number is 2. So by 2, 10 is divisible. Yes. So 2 we will write. How many times 10 is divisible by 2? 5 times. So it means 10 is divisible by 5 also. So 5 we will write here. After this, after 2, next number is 3. So by 3, 10 is divisible. Not divisible. By 4, 10 is divisible. Not divisible. By 5, 10 is divisible. Yes, divisible. But it is written already here. So it means there is no need to see by next number that 10 is divisible or not. Means now we are having all the factors of 10. So now you have all the factors of 10. Then you can find the mean yourself. So you have to find this yourself. Now students, question number 7. Before starting question number 7, see property about the mean. If certain observation mean is A, if the certain any number of observation, the mean is A. Mean of those number of observation is A. Every observation is increasing by 7. Every observation is increasing by 7. In that condition, new mean will be A plus 7. Listen again. Certain number of observations, mean is A. If every observation is increasing by 7, then new mean will be A plus 7. In the same way, if every observation is decreasing by 7, then new mean will be a minus 7. In the same way, if every observation is divided by 7, then new mean will be, yes, a upon 7. If every observation is multiplied by 7, then new mean will be a multiply 7. So it is about the properties of mean. So see, now come to the question number 7. The mean of a certain number of observations is 32. Find the resulting mean if each observation is increased by 3. So in first part, resulting mean is equal to, yes, old mean is 32. So 32. What is the condition? Increased by 7. So what we will do? Plus 3. So is equal to 35. So resulting mean is equal to 35. Second one. That third part multiplied by 2. See third part. Resulting mean is equal to 32 multiply 2. It will come 64. Now next part, sixth part, decreased by 20%. So resulting mean is equal to 32 decreased by, it means minus how much decrease? 20%. So 20% of what? Of this mean 30. So we can solve this according to the word mass. First we will solve this. So 20 upon 100 multiply 32. So 0 to 0 cancel. 2 1 the 2. 2 5 is a 10. Then 5 6 the 30. 2 is coming. 5 4 the 20. So is equal to 32 minus 6.4 multiply 1, 6.4. So 32 minus 64, what we will get? 25.6. So students, answer of this first part, resulting mean is coming 35. The third part, resulting mean is equal to 64, and sixth part, resulting mean is equal to 25.6.